I made $2,247 in just 1 week with ClickBank. And I'll show you exactly how I make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Even if you're a total beginner, everything I'll show you step by step. So, what is ClickBank? Is it like Amazon? However, instead of physical products, these are digital items like ebooks, courses, memberships, etc. Large companies create these products, and you can earn money by promoting them. So, let's start the video. Now come over to clickbank.com. And once you're here, click this button, Start Here. If you want to know how to register on ClickBank and which products to promote, we have already uploaded a video on this topic to our channel. You can visit the channel to watch it. So once you're logged in, you want to come over to the affiliate marketplace. So before you picking just any random product, I advise you to first choose a specific niche, whether it's health and fitness, make money online, or self-improvement. You'll see popular categories here, or click on all to see everything. For this example, I'll click top offers here to check what's trending right now. The first offer is in the health and fitness niche. Most top offers are in that category, but there are strong offers in other niches too. Let me break down this page so you know exactly what you're looking at. First, the offers are sorted by rank, but you can change that using the filter here. Then you'll see the product name, the category, a short description, and the commission amount you can earn. Now, here's something important. You'll notice two commission numbers. One says initial, and the other says total. The initial amount is the average commission you earn from the very first sale, which is what you earn right away. The total amount is the average overall commission you earn, including any upsells, rebuilds, or recurring payments if the offer has them. If both numbers are the same, that means there are no upsells or recurring commissions. You'll just get a one-time payment per sale. Let's move on to the next product. Okay, see this product Prostaviv. Average commission is $137.88 and CVR is 0.42. Click on View Sales page. You will see the exact page where your traffic will land to place an order. Your job here is to analyze it. Is it clean? Are its benefits clearly stated? Does it feature a strong call to action? A well-designed landing page can make the difference between making no sales and earning a good commission. Next, check out the affiliate page. Here you will find additional tools to help with sales, such as pre-written emails, product images, banners, and sometimes even ad copy. Now, let's move on to the next step. Once you have selected an offer, you will need to create a landing page for it. We'll use System.io. If we look at their pricing plan, we can see we have a free plan that costs $0 per month. You can collect up to 2,000 contacts, send unlimited emails, run one campaign, and even send unlimited newsletters. Basically, almost everything. You need to get started all for free. So the link will be in the description below. Once you're on the page, just enter your email, click the button, and create your free account. Next, open the ChatGPT and get an exciting description created for your product's landing page. Look here, the content for your landing page has started getting generated. Once you generate the description for your product's landing page, go back to System.io and create a domain according to your product. Click on Settings, then click on Custom Domain. Now click on Edit Subdomain Name. Type here name of domain related with offer. Then click Save. Go to Sites, then click on Sales Funnels. Here we will create our landing page. Click on Create, then give your funnel a name. You can have hundreds of funnels for different products. So, use the offer name to keep things organized. So for the funnel goal, choose to build an audience because our main focus is on collecting email addresses and creating a list. Then save. Your funnel is ready to start customizing. Now, if we open our funnel, you'll see various types of pre-built landing pages that we can use. Choose the one that suits your offer, and we'll customize it with our details. Start by putting your offer name in the funnel, then click Edit Page. Update the headline to something attention-grabbing and adjust the subtitle to match. Next, change the background image. For example, if it's a dietary supplement offer, you can grab a free image from Pixabay. Upload it here and click Insert. Then select the button and update the text to something like Click Here or Get Started Now. Make sure the button color stands out so it's visible. At the top, confirm the button action is set to Submit Form. Then choose to a custom URL for redirection. Paste your ClickBank affiliate link here. So I'm going to remove the header and the extra sections as well. My recommendation is to include more information about the product on your landing page. Take your time designing it. Make sure it looks clean and professional because a well-designed landing page can dramatically boost your conversions. Don't rush this part. Once everything looks good, click Save, then Exit. And that's it. Your landing page is ready to start collecting emails and sending traffic straight to your offer. Next, you can click View Funnel Step to view the landing page. This is looking great. Okay, now you can understood this how you can create a landing page for ClickBank. If you want to sell ClickBank products like other promoters without any risk, you can get the link to a list of the top 20 best-selling ClickBank products from the description. This is where tools like UGC AI Video make things easy, and you can try it free through the link below. Just click Create Short Video. Then you want to type here a topic. Just open ChatGPT and type something like "Give me Instagram Reel topics about gut health." Press Enter. Then copy one of the ideas. Paste it here. Click on Proceed and hit Generate My Video. So here's how it looks.
If you take this daily health tablet with water only, you might be wasting 80% of your money.
If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe the channel. Like this video and comment on the video also. And don't forget to share the video. Thanks for watching.